Imagine a laboratory at a prestigious university, a place known for science and reason. Now picture scientists in lab coats, not studying atoms or stars, but the power of the human mind. This was the Princeton Engineering Anomalies Research, or PEAR, lab, a place where the line between science fiction and reality blurred. For nearly 3 decades, from 1979 to 2007, researchers at PEAR explored the unexplained potential of the human mind. They weren't looking for magic, but for measurable evidence that our thoughts could influence the world around us in ways we barely understand. The lab was a hub of strange and intriguing experiments, often using custom-built machines and complex statistical analyses. They wanted to know, can our minds really affect machines? Can we see things happening far away just by thinking about them? These questions, bordering on the edge of science, captivated the imagination of the public and sparked heated debates within the scientific community. The PEAR Lab was the brainchild of Robert G. John, then Dean of the Princeton University School of Engineering and Applied Science. John, a respected figure in aerospace sciences, had a deep fascination with the unexplained. He believed that there was more to human consciousness than what traditional science could explain. John's vision for PEAR was ambitious: to apply the rigor of scientific methodology to phenomena often relegated to the realm of parapsychology. He assembled a team of physicists, engineers, and psychologists and set out to explore 2 main areas: psychokinesis, the ability of the mind to influence matter, and remote viewing, the ability to perceive distant events or locations using only the mind. His goal was not to prove or disprove the existence of these phenomena, but to investigate them with an open mind and rigorous scientific methods. One of PEAR's most well-known experiments involved random event generators, or REGs, devices designed to produce random sequences of numbers. Participants would attempt to influence the output of these machines using only their minds, focusing their intention on making the numbers higher or lower. Over millions of trials, PEAR reported small but statistically significant deviations from chance, suggesting that human intention might have a subtle influence on these random processes. Another key area of research was remote viewing, where individuals would attempt to describe a remote location, unknown to them, which was being observed by another person. The descriptions provided by the remote viewers were then compared to the actual locations, with analysts judging the degree of correspondence. Again, PEAR reported results that exceeded chance expectation, suggesting that some form of information transfer might be taking place. The findings of PEAR were met with a mixture of excitement and skepticism. Some saw it as groundbreaking evidence for psychic phenomena, while others criticized the experimental design and statistical analysis, suggesting that the results could be explained by more mundane factors. The debate over the validity of PEAR's research continues to this day. Despite the controversy, PEAR played a significant role in pushing the boundaries of scientific inquiry. It challenged the traditional view of consciousness and its relationship to the physical world, prompting new questions and stimulating further research. Though the lab closed its doors in 2007, its legacy continues to inspire both fascination and debate, reminding us that there is still much we don't understand about the universe and our place within it. The question of whether the mind can truly influence the physical world remains a tantalizing mystery, one that continues to capture the imagination and fuel our quest to understand the true nature of reality.